Hello, thank you for visiting my channel today. In today's video, I would like to share with you some information on a job opportunity that you may be interested in. So sit back, relax, and I will go through this with you. Today's job is a job that you do not have to have experience for. And it's what we're all looking for as a part-time job, as a side gig, or as a job in general. It's Grubhub for drivers. So, how does it work? Well, the amount you earn per delivery, is a combination of your base pay and any applicable bonuses. Your base pay accounts for factors including mileage, delivery type, spent time delivering, and local market. You keep 100% of your tips always. Slow days, Grubhub's got you covered. This is Grubhub doing their part to make sure that you earn a minimum guarantee rate for your local market when you toggle on for a schedule block and meet acceptance rate criteria. Grubhub delivery partners can boost their pay by completing missions, exciting ways to earn extra cash by reaching goals in a set amount of time, and participating in fun sweepstakes. How do delivery partners get paid? Delivery partners can choose between two different payment options: direct deposit, where your salary will be direct deposited into your bank account every Thursday; instant cash out whenever you want to your bank account, free for Chase Bank customers, and 50 cents each for other bank customers, or cash out directly to your debit card for 50 cents per transaction. Here's a few important things to know about Grubhub. If you receive an offer that has multiple orders, they'll calculate the estimated total time and mileage for all orders together. Total daily pay for mileage, time, and any applicable promotions or bonuses will be shown as delivery pay at the top of your pay summary. And drivers are able to cash their earnings out up to $500 a day using the instant cash out features. Grubhub drivers are able to view their tip after accepting an order. Their tip information is available under each order within the task section. Here are just a few reasons why drivers chose to partner with Grubhub: quick application and flexible schedule. You can earn money with every delivery and every mile you drive. You keep 100% of your tips, no exceptions. You make money on your terms. You don't have to worry about no resume, interview, or delivery experience required. Contact free delivery and access to order personal protection equipment for your health and safety. After filling out your application, you can view the status of your application from your applicant portal. Each applicant will receive a unique link that allows them to check their application status in real time. This link is included in almost every email sent from Grubhub during the application process. All delivery partners must be 19 years or older, 21 and older in Las Vegas, own an iPhone with iOS 11 or higher, or an Android with 5.0 or higher, must have a data plan, and have a checking account for direct deposit. There is no dress code for Grubhub. You will receive your delivery bags and Grubhub driver card 5 to 10 business days after completing your onboarding. They will send you an email with the tracking number once it becomes available. Remember, once you are verified to partner with Grubhub, you can start delivering immediately with any insulated delivery bag. Just download the Grubhub for Drivers app and hit the road. And I mentioned the Grubhub driver's card. It is sent to drivers by Grubhub so that these orders can be paid for by Grubhub, because some Grubhub orders require that drivers pay for the order at the restaurant using a driver's card. Grubhub uses a Shop Plus Pay. Shop and Pay is a Grubhub offer for convenience or pharmacy delivery. You shop for everyday essentials like snacks, household items, and cleaning supplies. You pay for the order using your Grubhub driver card and deliver the items directly to the customer's door. And the benefits for Shop and Pay is you can maximize your schedule for more earnings. So you toggle on to make a Shop and Pay delivery between restaurant, delivery, rush orders, or when you have some extra time. Grubhub also have a contact-free delivery. Contact-free delivery lets diners request the orders be left at their door, in their lobby, or another place at the delivery location. Due to social distancing, Grubhub diners are defaulted into the contact-free delivery option. Even if they don't select this option directly, many of them are leaving clear instructions in the delivery notes. For more information about contact-free delivery, you can check out their help guide to learn more. To apply for Grubhub, click the Apply button, and it'll bring you to this screen. You can sign up and start earning. You'll choose your state. We're going to choose Pennsylvania. And your city in Pennsylvania. We're going to check Lancaster. And you hit next. Then you put your first, your last name, your email, your phone, and you agree to receive texts and emails from Grubhub in accordance with Grubhub's communication terms. And I have read and understand the Grubhub privacy policy. You click here and click and put this in. The next step is, once you put in your name and your email address and you click the little box and click submit, this is the screen you'll come to. Continue your application in the app. So select sign up to deliver when you open the app. So once your application has been processed, then they will contact you and you can go through the app to find out when you can make deliveries. Thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and get notified by clicking the bell so that you will be updated on new videos, and have a great rest of your day.